Hello and welcome back. So in this tutorial we'll be looking at how to solve a question based on conditional trigonometric identities. So in this type of question we were given a condition where the three angles or the three terms A, B, C sum up to give pi radian, which is actually 180 degree. So by using this condition and by taking the left hand side of the equation, we have to solve for our right hand side. So at first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the given condition A plus B plus C is equal to pi radian, and I'm going to transfer C to the other side, or I'm going to subtract C on both sides of the equation. So this leads to A plus B equals to pi radian minus C. Now I can also divide both side by 2, so this leads to A by 2 plus B by 2 is equal to pi radian divided by 2, which is 180 degree divided by 2, that is 90 degree, minus C by 2. I've just distributed this denominator for both the expression on numerator. Now by using this given condition, I'm gonna operate both the side by cos at first. So cos pi radian by 2 minus C by 2. We know that cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, but instead of theta we have C by 2. Also, when I operate the same expression by sine, what I get is sin pi radian divided by 2 minus C by 2, and we know that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, but instead of theta we have C by 2. So we have found that cos A plus B by 2 equals to sin C by 2, and sin A plus B by 2 equals to cos C by 2. Now let me take the left hand side of the equation, which is sin A plus sin B plus sin C. So this is the left hand side of my equation. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the formula for these two terms. The formula I'm gonna use is sin t, and what we know that sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 dot cos C minus D by 2. So here we have 2 sin C plus D is A plus B by 2 dot cos C minus D is A minus B by 2, and then we have sin C as it is. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change sin A plus B by 2, since we know that sin A plus B by 2 is equals to cos C by 2 from our given condition. So here I can write cos C by 2 dot cos A minus B by 2 plus, so for this sin C I can use sub multiple angle formula. We know that sin C can be written as sin 2 dot C by 2, and sin 2 theta we have the formula 2 sin theta by 2 dot cos theta by 2. So I'm gonna replace by this term. Now I'm going to take 2 cos C common from both the terms. So after that we have cos A minus B by 2 plus, and here we have sin C by 2. Again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change sin C by 2 in terms of cos, and we know that sin C by 2 equals to cos A plus B by 2. This we have shown from our given condition right over here. Cos A by 2 plus B by 2 is equals to sin C by 2. So 2 cos C by 2, I'm going to write it as it is. Just a small change here, sin C by 2, I'm going to write cos A plus B by 2. Now once again I'm going to apply the formula here for cos C and cos D. So cos C plus cos D, we know it's equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 dot cos C minus D by 2. So here 2 cos C is A minus B by 2, C plus D is A plus B by 2, and then divided by 2 dot cos c minus d is a minus b by 2, and then minus a plus b by 2, and then divided by 2. Now what we can do is I'm going to simplify over here. So when I take 2 LCM, I can simply combine my numerator, so a minus b plus a plus b, and then I can directly multiply these two numerators, so here 2 into 2. I can do the same here, a minus b after taking 2 common, a minus b. Now when I'm going to distribute this negative sign, I have minus a and minus b here, and this 2 I'm going to multiply with this 2. Now let's see what we can do. Here we can cancel negative b, positive b, and then here positive a and negative a. After that, what we have is 2 cos c by 2 dot 2 dot, so cos a plus a is 2a, so 2a divided by 4 is simply cos a by 2. This 2 gets cancelled and one of the a gets cancelled, and cos of minus b and minus b gives simply minus 2b divided by 2 dot 2, so I can cancel this 2. So now I have 2 cos c by 2 dot 2 cos a by 2 dot cos minus of b by 2. Now one thing that you should remember is if I have cos of minus theta, then I can simply write cos theta. If I have negative sign, then it turns into positive sign for cos, but for sine, if I have sine of minus theta, then this becomes minus sine theta. These steps you should remember while solving this type of question. It's very important. So finally what we can write is 2 dot 2 is 4. So I'm gonna write cos a by 2 first in sequence, and then cos b by 2 dot cos c by 2. And this is our right hand side of the equation. This is what we have to solve. I hope this was clear to you, and thanks for watching.